Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to import your Excel spreadsheet to STATA 17. So first of all have a look on my dataset. This is my dataset in Excel. This is data of different countries, production of different commodities. So I want to import this data into STATA. So I will first close this Excel sheet and open my STATA. Go to File, Import Excel spreadsheet. I will browse my sheets, open. From here you can select your worksheet. I have only one sheet, so I will select sheet 1. From here you can adjust your cell range if you want to adjust. Like I want to import from A1 to I37, so I will not adjust. But if you want to adjust it from B1 to some other range, you can adjust it. Press OK. Now I will select import first row as variable names because my first row is variable name, so I am selecting this. Another option is import all data as strings. I will select this option because I want to command STATA to import all the variables in non-numeric form or text form. Why do I command this? Because if I don't select this, you can see the large digit numbers like commodity codes. It is taking in scientific number. If I select it in string form, they are coming as normal notation. So if you command stata to import all the variable in string, it will give you in normal notation because it is non-numeric form or text form. Now another thing is variable case. I will select lower because I want my variable names to be in lowercase letters. If you want to preserve the case, you can select preserve. Or if you want it in uppercase letter, you can select upper. Here I am selecting lower and then press OK. Your data has been imported. You can see here variable names are appearing in lowercase letter because I have selected lower. And one thing you observe that stata don't take space between words. In label name it is taking space, but in variable name it is not taking space. So for that you can use underscore. You can rename your variable name and use underscore. So now I will show you data which we have imported. This is the data set we have imported, right? So that's all for this video. Thank you.